Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Legend of Korra Season 3, Episode 10. I just watched the Episode 9. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. We learned so much during that last episode about Zair's intention, you know, about his background also. I was gonna say that he said all of the truth. No, I think that all of what he said was the truth, but I don't think that he said all of the truth. Do you see the difference between that? I think that all of what he said was real, that he was really from the Red Lotus, that he really knew Unalaq and did all of that with him, that at first he wanted to capture Korra because they wanted to brainwash her, you know, because they really want to restore freedom into this world. I think that he's truly an anarchist, you know. He doesn't want to have leaders, you know, for people, any kind of leader, any kind of superiors to other people, you know, any kind of rules. I think that he wants really people to be free. He knows that it can bring chaos, but he doesn't care. Like a true anarchist, I really think that he thinks so, that he did that with Korra when she was a kid. Because of that, for that, I think that he said the truth. He didn't answer to Korra when she asked him why he still wants to capture her right now. So that's something missing, something important. And if we are following, you know, what he said to her, that his objective is to have freedom into this world, it's to erase all of the king and queens, you know, like bring anarchy into this world. I don't think that you can use Korra for that, the avatar, like to create a chaos situation, or maybe with powers, you know, to take all of the bendings away, or to give bendings to everyone. You know, maybe it's more a situation like everyone has to be equal. Why would you want to have Korra, to use Korra? At first I was like, okay, maybe they want to take her powers back, you know, to erase her powers. Maybe it can be the best way to have freedom into this world, like to not have any kind of leaders. If you don't have the avatar, someone who is better and more powerful than everyone, it's better, you know, for their world, for what they want for the new world. At first I thought so, but I think that it's maybe too easy, you know, for an explanation, because the explanation that Zair gave during the last episode was deeper than what I thought. I never imagined, you know, that it was his intention. But yes, about his intentions right now, what he wants right now with Korra, but also to do no matter what with this world and all, I'm not sure. And about the Red Lotus, like, the Red Lotus, it's not only for you. Like, for me, the Red Lotus, it's a secret organization. Like, Highway is a part of the Red Lotus, and maybe other people that we know or not are also a part of the Red Lotus. It could explain, you know, why Highway helped them like that, even without knowing them that much, because of the fact that they are a part of that secret organization. Like when Iroh was asking for help to strangers into other cities, into Avatar: The Last Airbender. But we finished the last episode in such a bad position for all of our characters. Asami and Korra, they are arrested by the Earth Queen forces, like, we're back in Ba Sing Se. And Zair arrested Bolin and Mako, and they're going back to Ba Sing Se. We are going back to Ba Sing Se. I hate Ba Sing Se, okay? I want them to help Ba Sing Se. I want Ba Sing Se to be a good city, that's the capital of the Earth Kingdom. And the Earth Kingdom, it's good people, they deserve to have a good capital, and no matter what, all of the citizens, they deserve to be free. Like, right now they are not. They just had dictators after dictators who ruled that city by fear, with the daily, with rules, weird rules, with secrets, with torture, with... See, I'm into that position, like really I hate Ba Sing Se, and in a way I hate the fact that we're going back to Ba Sing Se. But on the other hand, I love that city because of Iroh, because of his story with his son in Ba Sing Se, and again because I really think that these people, they deserve to be free, to have a good life. So I want this city to be great, but for now it's hell. Like, I hate it. We have Lin, we're searching for Korra and all of the group. Where are our allies right now? We have Tenzin and all of the new airbenders, but they're all into the temple and they don't know what just happened right there. Or maybe Lin is gonna go get Tenzin. And I did not forget the fact that we had Zuko during several episodes and nothing since 5 episodes now. I want him on screen. If you are bringing back Zuko, he has to be in each episode. I'm frustrated. And I think that I can deal with him being on screen. But the more we're gonna be close to the end of this season, and the more I'm gonna be like, okay, so he's gonna meet Korra for sure. He's gonna maybe meet again Katara, maybe Toph, because we learned also that Toph is alive. So maybe Toph is gonna appear just like that. So I want to see him. I think that I can deal well with him on screen, but the closer we are to the end of this season, and the probability of him having an important, big, intense, emotional scene with someone is big, you know? We'll see. Today I'm gonna still watch 2 episodes, episode 10 and 11, if I have the time, if I have enough lights for that. So let's go for this episode 10. I need to rush maybe a little with intro and reviews. Like usually, if you want, you have a Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier. We have 2 weeks of advance, so it means 4 episodes of advance. It's a lot. And we've extended our full reaction part. Check the description to know what I put on Patreon and to have the link to go to my Patreon. It's the best way to support me. If you can't, you can support me right now on YouTube by subscribing, liking, commenting. It's beginning to work a little with YouTube. They are continuing to harass me for each videos that I'm posting, even if I'm respecting the fair use rules. It seems that since the last weeks, months, YouTube decided that they were gonna harass me, when before that they were letting me alone. Now they are harassing me a lot for all of the videos that I post, and it's annoying, but at least, you know, me telling you, come on, please subscribe, like, comment, maybe it can work. It's beginning to work, because at least right now they are not taking all of the tips from my videos. That's an improvement, you know? Let's go for this episode of The Legend of Korra in Ba Sing Se. I don't want to be in Ba Sing Se. Long live the Queen? No! Surely no.
The Earth Queen is in danger from a group of terrorists calling themselves the Red Lotus.
Oh yes, she's in danger.
Speaking about terrorists.
Who cares?
Well, as long as you're chained up, I guess it doesn't make a difference.
Asami, you have a plan, my dear. I know you.
If you think holding us hostage will give you some leverage to use against the Avatar, you're going to be very disappointed.
Can't we just enjoy our time together in silence?
Nah.
What did you do with all that time? Did you sing songs, work on crafts?
When it rained, that was a big event.
You were into a long confinement.
Who was having trouble with his girlfriend?
You were raised by an older sister. Your mustache grew in when you were 10, and I'm sensing, just sensing, an unspoken attraction between you two.
2 out of 3. It's not bad.
Which ones? I'm sorry. I hate Ba Sing Se, okay?
These airships the Cabbage Corp sold to the Earth Kingdom are way cheaper than the ones Future Industries built.
Good call.
Give me 5 minutes, then start yelling for help.
Asami, you never stop to surprise me.
Yes, I remember these two. We'll find an acceptable home for you in prison with the rest of the dissidents.
In prison.
Now,
She's
I told you
puking all of her
listen
words.
to me. Where are my airbenders?
They are not yours.
Once you hand the Avatar over to me,
Who told you that we have the Avatar?
we'll be in the midst of a sticky international incident. But if you let me take her today, no one need ever know she was here. All I can say is that I have business with her. But she won't be bothering you again.
I find these terms agreeable. Gun, escort them to the antechamber until the Avatar's arrival.
Where is she?
Not there anymore. Good girl. Hello. Bye bye.
I think you might have been a little over-aggressive with the airbending. The controls are busted.
Oh fuck.
Hang on to something!
Where is Naga?
There are dangerous forces at work that you don't know anything about.
More dangerous than being stranded in the desert?
Don't worry, Cullen. I radioed Bossing Say before we went down. Someone will be here soon to rescue us.
I'm not waiting around for that.
There are prisoners, and it's our duty to transport you to the Earth Queen.
You realize that I'm the
You
Avatar,
seem like
right?
someone of
You
honor.
don't want to fight me. Wait, did that sand dune just move?
Yep.
It's probably just a mirage.
An animal?
We want to fix the ship, right, Cap?
Let's get to work.
Oh,
I know you can metal bend. You can metal bend?
I'm sure you can.
No. I believe in you.
I do too.
Two blow in.
I appreciate that, Mako and fellow prisoner man, but I've been trying and trying.
But this is your time. Get us out of here to save Korra. Bowling! 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 Bowling!
Thank you. It's awkward.
Can't metal bend.
Go, 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 Lin, go. She's gonna find Highway's body. Naga! They let you there?
All right!
Good job, girls. Oh no! Oh no, 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 no,
I think it's gone for now.
no.
Are you all right?
You're good there, for sure.
This is outrageous! Send another airship to retrieve the Avatar immediately.
She'll be long gone by the time they arrive.
It doesn't matter. We're through chasing her. It's time to make her come to us.
You tell me where the airbenders are right now.
That wasn't the deal.
I will not bandy words with bounty hunters. Seize these hoodlums and...
The fact that they can do that, you know, fight the Earth Queen and they didn't do it first.
You wouldn't dare attack a queen!
If he was sincere about his intentions.
To mention something to you. I don't believe in queens.
What is that? You're not gonna kill her? You're taking all of the air?
Something that you can give or take on a whim. But to your people,
She's annoying as hell, but you can't kill her.
air, and without it, there is no life. There is only darkness.
Did you just kill her?
Attention, citizens of Ba Sing Se. I have an important announcement to make. Moments ago, the Earth Queen was brought down at the hands of revolutionaries, including myself. No longer will you be oppressed by tyrants. From now on, you are free. I deliver Ba Sing Se back into the hands of the people.
I love the idea. I think that you're sincere, but I hope that it's your only intention. Yes, please! Destroy this world, big people.
You have to metal bend us out of here. Come on, I know you can do it. This is your time. You said before.
Lie to him, tell him that he did it when you were kids or something like that. No.
I don't think that was you. Listen to me. I'm going to set you free. I have a message that I need you to take to Cora.
She ain't pretty, but I think she'll do the job. No time for a test run. Let's move!
You did it!
Wait for it. Ah! Cool. Well done. Where are we? Which city?
You know, whatever the conflict between you and the Queen is, I'm sure it's above my pay grade. You got a tough job. Good
Thank
luck,
you.
Avatar.
Captain, have we been in the desert too long, or is that really a dragon over there?
Zuko, you're there? I can deal with it, I can deal with it. I can deal with her meeting Zuko.
We're coming back for you. What are you all doing here?
Cora, you're safe.
Yeah, we made it out of the desert. Thanks to Asami.
I met you when you were a very young girl.
You
It's
already
good to
met
see you
her?
again, Avatar Cora.
It's good to see you, Lord Zuko. Did you find Mako and Bolin?
Some people at the inn saw them get captured by Zahir's crew.
The Earth Queen's reign has come to an abrupt and violent end. Ba Sing Se has descended into chaos.
Do something about it.
The name of the group that's been trying to capture me and just took out the Earth Queen. I'm afraid this is only the beginning, Captain.
I dealt with it well. With Zuko on screen, with Zuko meeting Korra. I had a certain emotion coming, I had maybe some tears into my eyes, but nothing right there, I didn't cry. I dealt with it right. I'm proud of myself. They already met when she was a kid. That's logical. When you think about it, it's logical that Zuko wanted to meet the new Avatar when they discovered her and all. That's logical. Also with the fact that Zahir's group tried to capture her when she was a kid, and Zuko was one of the people who arrested Zahir and his group who wanted to capture Korra. So really, it's logical, in fact, that he already met her. So it's logical that it's not so emotional, you know, for him to meet her and for her to meet him. Are we going to talk about the fact that she lost the past lives connection and your friend Zuko is not there anymore? Aang is not there anymore. I didn't respond to a lot of your comments on YouTube about the final of the season 2, about the fact that Korra lost the connection with the past lives. I saw that a lot of you are blaming her for that. It's not my case, I'm not blaming her. It's just something that happened because of Vaatu, because of Unalaq, but not at all about Korra. I'm not blaming her for that. I'm blaming the writers for that. And even if I saw that some of you are saying stuff like it was a ballsy move, it was in fact really clever for the writers to do that because now people are really gonna care about Korra and not because of Aang anymore, but just because of herself. I can see and I can understand all of what you're saying and why for you it's working and it's enough, but it's not enough for me. For an explanation and also for a reason to do that, and for me it's still bothering me, it's still hurting me, it's still something, you know, like even if I read all of your comments about it and you are so definitive with it, like that's it, it's like that, you have to give up on that. You said to me stuff like that on the comments and call me in denial, but I still didn't give up. Like, a part of me is like, maybe they are telling me that, but in fact at the end Korra is gonna have the connection again with her past lives. Because really for me, the past lives didn't disappear. The words were important right there. She lost the connection, but they are still there. And I'm really in denial maybe because when you are telling me, you guys directly on comments, that's it, you saw all of the past lives disappearing and that's it, now you understand why we are all so mad because that's how Aang disappeared forever. You are telling me stuff like that and still me, to my mind, I'm like, Maybe they're saying that to me, but in fact it's not to give me any spoilers and they want to make me think that we're never gonna see the past lives again, but in fact at the end we're gonna see them again. Maybe I'm in denial, maybe in fact it's just the story that I prefer to tell to myself because I don't want to believe that the writers really did that. I can understand why they did that during that moment, why they did that for the show, for how it could be useful to the show to do that. All of the reasons that you're saying, I can hear them, I can understand them, but I can't be okay with the meaning of it and what it represents really for the avatar, for what the avatar is, represents, but also for the show and Avatar The Last Airbender before that, what it represents for the shows. I can't accept it. I'm sorry. But yes, right there, maybe at some point Korra is gonna be forced to tell it to Zuko that she lost the connection. So Zuko is gonna learn that his friend disappeared forever. At least they are together, they're gonna fight together. The Avatar and Zuko fighting together again. Cool. That story into the desert, you know, with Asami and with these guys from the Earth Kingdom, that was cool. That was a cool story. I'm not sure that we're gonna have consequences about that, not really, but that was a cool story when everything which was happening on Ba Sing Se, on the contrary, was horrifying. At first, Zaire trying to make a deal with the Earth Queen to exchange the Avatar, and Bolin Mako and the Airbenders, you know. And after that, Zaire killing the Earth Queen. Like, I didn't want that to happen. I was annoyed by her and I wanted our guys to save Ba Sing Se, to do something about it and about the Earth Queen, but at any point I thought that it could be to kill her. I wanted that. No, really no. And you know, the fact that he destroyed these worlds and the fact that he wants people to be free and the fact that he's against Ba Sing Se and how Ba Sing Se is organized, you know, how it was divided and all. I'm sorry to say that I think that since episodes, since seasons, since shows, like even during Avatar The Last Airbender, I hated Ba Sing Se and how it was divided. Like, I hated it. So right there, I can just be okay with them doing that by killing the Earth Queen. No, but by them doing that, why not? And I don't think that it's gonna be something bad for Ba Sing Se. Like, okay, it's gonna be chaotic right there, like people can steal from each other, like maybe some people are gonna commit some crimes right there and all, that's gonna be bad. But at the end of everything, when they're gonna maybe put another leader into that city, a president, you know, or a governor or something like that, someone elected by the people, it could be great. When it's gonna happen, I really hope that they're not gonna bring back the walls between all of the different kind of people right there. Like, I really hope that they're gonna stay like that, at least. They're gonna change things, at least. And again, I have the impression that Zaire was sincere with what he said on the radio, what he wants for this city, what he said to the Queen. He was sincere. But on the other hand, he wanted to make that exchange with the Queen about the Avatar, like, it counted more than helping Ba Sing Se, helping the people in Ba Sing Se. Like, it's a little hypocrite when you think about it, that he's doing it only at the end when he knows that he can't have the Avatar, he can't make the deal. Before that, you were more thinking about having the Avatar than really helping people. I think that there is something a little hypocrite, maybe something like he's saying the truth and he's sincere about all of his purpose as a member of the Red Lotus, what they want as a group, but maybe there is something more personal on the fact that he still wants to have the Avatar, to do something with the Avatar, to the Avatar. Bolin who can't metal band. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep that part on YouTube, but during the episode, just know that I was encouraging Mako to lie to Bolin, to say to Bolin, I already saw you metal banding and all, like, to convince Bolin that he can do it, because in fact he already did it, he just doesn't remember it. And Bolin, he would metal band just like that, you know, because he would know that he already did it, so he can do it again. Do you understand what I mean? I want something like that to happen. I'm okay with a lie about that, you know, like, I really think that right there, Bolin not being able to metal band, it's because of the fact that he convinced himself that he can't do it. Something like that, you know, something because of the lack of confidence on himself that he has since a long time. But I really think that he can metal band. I want that for him. Because he wants it so much. You know that I love Bolin and I would love him no matter what, even if he can't metal band, you know. But he wants that so much and since so long that I want that for him to be able to metal band. And again, maybe in fact, he just needs a good teacher for that. Is he wrong? Tough? How many episodes I have left? Right there it was the episode 10, 11, 12, 13? Only 3 episodes? If they talked about Toph during this season, Toph is gonna be back during this season, during one of the last episodes. Maybe during the next one? I would prefer to keep that for the end, you know, for my last session of binge watching for the 2 last episodes of the season. We'll see. And I'm gonna see that right now because I'm gonna watch one more episode today. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.